Hi admins, thanks for joining me in account settings under data entry and profile pages. Within each company, customer, deal, and people profile page, you will find a details section. For example, if I go here to, let's say I'm in deals, I click this deal name, this is the deal details. You can also find it when you go to people. Let's pop in here, person details. Let's go through the default settings. Enable edit mode by default for all users. So by default, your users can quickly edit fields without having to click to allow editing. By default, this is turned on. If your users are more comfortable clicking an edit button to enter data into the fields, they can choose that here. Again, if I pop over here, it's talking about this button here. Right now, this is allowing your users to type in here without clicking an edit button that opens this all up. And finally, allow users to change field order. This will allow your users to arrange their own profile views or keep it standard for everyone. If I go back to this person details, you see this here, source, type, owner, all of this. You can make that change here for your users. If I pop over here, we can see that source, type, title, owner. If you want to allow your users to edit their own profile details, how they see these details here, you can allow that by clicking here. If you would like to create a standardized view for everybody, you can do that here in account settings. Within each section, you can move or hide where this all lands. Maybe you would like to hide that from view. You can add and arrange fields in the second section here. If we want to move type, maybe we want to remove title. Maybe you want to put that back. You can go here to fields and you can click here. You'll also notice that there are your custom fields you can add in as well. Remember to click Save Changes when you're done.